Here we use reXpair toolkit and normal toolkit to repair the puncture. Let's follow up each tool instruction to finish the process. Ream the puncture. You will find the size difference between normal reamer and reXpair one. Smaller reXpair reamer is helpful to be inserted. Applying vulcanizing fluid will be more lubricant for inserting both reamer and fork. When we insert fork and strip, more soft and flexible reXpair strip coated by vulcanizing fluid is easier for inserting and pulling out to realize double folded in puncture. reXpair finish all process. Puncture is sealed. Normal kit is taking minutes to finish all process, and it requires operators strong enough to enlarge the puncture and insert the resin strip. Optimize reamer and fork, friendly for tire and rider. Soft and flexible strip fulfill the puncture better. Beside chemical reaction, vulcanizing fluid work as lubricant either.